Yes, hello, good morning. Now I will show how to claim a Pira faucet. First, go to faucet.pira.finance and then go to your wallet and copy your address and then paste it here. They enter your wallet, okay? And then for that, connect your Discord, okay? Authorize and then verify. Then connect your Twitter. Yes, and then follow, and then verify. Then after that, retweet now, retweet, then click verify, then click give me BNB. Uh, since I already got my tested BNB, it must show here. Automatically you will get the testnet BNB on your wallet. Just wait for a few minutes. It will appear there. Then that's it. This is the few steps that you should follow to get testnet BNB for Pira Finance Faucet. Then you can swap, liquidity, etc. That's all. Thank you.